Masa tu actually my fiancé.
Oh, your
Ya, I dah
fiancé.
tunang.
Okay.
I see.
So putus kerana datin.
Dan tu masih ada
Dah
girlfriend
putus
lagi?
ke? Atau
Belum.
Tapi
Dia
that,
belum. You belum putus.
Masa
I dah
tegur
dekat
tu.
putus.
masa tu actually my fiancé.
Oh, your
Ya, I dah
fiancé.
tunang.
Okay.
I see.
So putus kerana datin.
Adalah juga. Adalah few issue problem. Then jodoh ni rahsia
Yalah,
Tuhan
betul
lah.
Hmm.
Senang kata jodoh tu rahsia Tuhan.
Dan Alhamdulillah bersama dengan datin.
Tapi kita tak betul line.
Itulah.
So she was saying dia ada problem.
Dia hujung-hujung juga.
So
Hujung.
we
Dua-dua hujung-hujung masa tu.
kita start berbual, then dah start fall in love. Then kata I cakap I don't think we can continue lah, because I'm already engaged, and then you pun dah ada boyfriend. Kalau ada jodoh tak akan ke mana, because I really believe in Allah's planning.
Betul.
Cinta lokasi lah ni lebih kurang ni.
No, we didn't have anything. We stopped talking
We
lah.
became good friends because she was the only one who talked to
Who talk
me,
to you,
make me feel comfortable.
Because sometimes he called me macam, should I do this job? Should I do that job? So dia tak kenal orang.
Maksudnya lebih bersembang pasal kerjaya lah.
More to work. So dia banyak advise me juga kan.